Hi, everybody. Meteorologist Joe Cioffi here. Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Brought to you by Wholesale Holiday Lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs. And we know that the holidays are coming. You might want to have your home professionally decorated, or you might want to do this as a business, or you already have this as a business. They're at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, 631-957-5106. And the website is liholidaylighting.com. And while you're getting ready for the holidays, remember that winter is approaching. And Omni True Value Hardware has everything you need to get through the winter season, including an ample supply of rock salt and at the lowest prices you can find anywhere in the tri-state area and beyond. They're at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York. 631-756-1125 for the best prices in town. OmniTrueValue.com, the website. Well, we're started out certainly with a nice day and a cool start for sure, but it remains very unstable because of the cold air aloft. And you can see all the clouds that are backing in up through Nova Scotia and then whipping around low pressure that is sitting up near New Brunswick. And as a result, we're getting these weak upper troughs that are moving through with clouds. And you see those in upstate New York, and they're moving southeastward. And in some of those clouds, we're seeing some showers being produced. This would be lake effect snows were it cold enough, as all of this moisture streaming off the Great Lakes, and plus the instability. So you see those bands moving southeastward. I think most of those will stay to the northwest, but some will sneak through. So the chance that there could be an odd sprinkle or shower is not out of the question. But overall, we'll call it clouds mixed with sun or sun mixed with clouds. The further north and west you go, I think the more cloud cover you're going to see during this afternoon. But this is very typical when you have a trough in the eastern part of the United States and cold, unstable air aloft. And if you check out the radar nationwide, it's actually fairly quiet. Pretty much from the Rockies east, getting a little bit of scattered precip in parts of New Mexico and into Colorado, and also seeing some precip up in Nevada and back into southern Idaho, southeastern Oregon. But there's really an absence of major weather going on today and for much of this week, for that matter. The Storm Prediction Center, for example, no severe thunderstorms are forecast today, no organized severe thunderstorms, and only a small area of general thunderstorms in parts of Utah, northwestern Colorado, and Wyoming. The rest of the country is very quiet. And for the next several days, no severe weather is being forecast at this time, and the same holds true as we head toward the end of the week and into the weekend. So let's take a quick look. I wanted to just kind of show you the upper air here because we had a change in the overall pattern. You can see this is back last Friday when we had this ridge in the east that started to break down, trough well offshore, another deep upper trough that was to the west in the northern plains. And once that ridge broke down, that allowed that western trough to move along. It produced the severe weather on Saturday. And now here we are Monday, and we're still seeing this trough kind of hanging around. There's an upper low up in northern Maine that has slowed down. So this is keeping the cooler air in. And again, with the rotation around that upper low, we're seeing little troughs moving southeastward. You just kind of outlined one there this morning that was approaching upstate New York. That'll swing around. And then there was one that moved through yesterday. That's offshore. That's why we're seeing the instability, cloudiness that we are. Gradually, though, as we move into Wednesday, that trough pulls out, a little bit of a flat ridge builds in, and here comes the next system for Thursday into Friday. That one doesn't look all that impressive, but it does bring the jet stream down a little bit further to the south, and then a more important trough on over the weekend that swings on through. But the nature of this is such that we don't really have any kind of Gulf moisture involved. We don't have any Atlantic moisture being involved. So these are going to be mostly simple cold fronts as we work through the weekend and moving into next week. And there's another short wave that moves through New England. So as long as these weather systems in the northern jet are moving along, we are going to see changes every couple of days. And I don't see it getting warm like we just went through for a long stretch. Yeah, there might be the odd day where we could push temperatures up into the 70s. I think if that happens, they say Thursday this week might be the best candidate. Even Wednesday could see upper 60s and low 70s, but that should be it. So now here it is on the surface. We'll be down in the 40s tonight in most areas. Cool spots will be in the upper 30s. There's enough of a gradient that I don't think we're going to have any frost to worry here. Tuesday, the atmosphere stabilizes, still a little on the breezy side, but we should have more sunshine than clouds on Tuesday. Wednesday looks good, sunny skies for the most part. Here comes the front for Thursday, and it's very weak. There's just a couple of showers with this, and actually most of them fall apart or go by well to the north later Thursday. And then we're replacing that with another dry, and we'll call it a cool air mass for Friday into Saturday, nothing crazy. And then a more important weather front will probably approach sometime Sunday night or Monday. Jury's still out on what's going to happen later Sunday. But again, the features in the atmosphere all look to be on the weak side. Weather in 5, brought to you by Omni True Value Hardware at 1226 North Wellwood Avenue in West Babylon, New York, 631-756-1125 for the phone number, and the website omnitruevalue.com. Wholesale holiday lighting by Giannini, your complete holiday lighting specialist, meeting all your decorating needs at 162 Ocean Avenue in Lindenhurst, New York, 631-957-5106. The phone number and the website is liholidaylighting.com. So we're waiting because I think today is the day that the Weather Service is going to issue their forecasts for the winter months. So usually comes out around this date every month that they put out their monthly and 3-month forecasts. So far, we don't see it yet, at least last I checked, so we'll give it one more quick check. Nope, not there yet. We'll talk about this and many other things tonight on the Joe and Joe Weather Show. That's at 7:30 Eastern Time, so be sure to tune in. In the meantime, enjoy your day, and we'll see you later. 7:30 Eastern Time on my YouTube channel.